As we all know, winter is upon us and it's time to start getting ready. And what I am presenting to you today is called the Riapow rechargeable hand warmer, but it also doubles as a portable charger. So let's open this up and hopefully it has some battery life in it and we will see how long it takes to warm up. Right away you have a warranty card and a user manual. Comes with a nice soft bag, USB Type-C charger, and then here's the actual unit itself. Looks quite nice. You can see the charge port on here, the USB-C, and this is the output for charging devices. The battery inside is a 10,000 milliamp battery. And let's turn it on. When it's in charge mode, these three LED indicators will be blue and it will show you the level of charge in the device. Now for warming your hands, you hold the power button down and then this first red LED will turn on, and then with each click you can up the power to make it more warmer. And I can already feel this warming up. It's not wasting any time whatsoever. I have a temperature gun around here. Let's see. It's already at 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So as you can see, it's warming up pretty rapidly. And it is warming up on both sides, though a little cooler on the back side. But I can definitely feel it. It definitely feels warm. So what a cool little device. Put this in your hoodie pocket, charge your batteries, keep your hands warm. I can think of all kinds of uses for this. And of course I would like to thank Riapow for sending me this to do a review on. I did not have to actually purchase this item. So thank you, Riapow. Very cool Riapow hand warmer and battery bank.